What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. We are out here. We're gonna get to this real quick today. So right now we're gonna get straight to the fishing, and then afterwards we're gonna talk about some stuff. So real quick though, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We got a huge giveaway. The link's here. See you out there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. Nicole and I are getting out on the boat by ourselves for the first time today, and we're gonna see what we can do here. I think we're getting hit with a little bit of Jose right now, right? Is that what's going on? Oh yeah. Ah, it's a little guy. Not bad. First fish. You got a fish? Cole's got one. Is it good? Yep, you got him. It's a little guy.
Little, but he feels heavy because
And it's a freaking pickerel?
yeah. Doesn't feel like a pickerel.
Gotta be kidding me, pal.
The weeds.
Cole's first fish is a pickerel. Small one. It's a good thing. Yes! Nicole's first bass of the day.
Right as we're leaving.
Well, you can keep casting.
They're hanging out right in here.
He just went under the boat. Yeah, so the bite was tough. Down in the comments below, I want you to tell me your favorite fall bait. It's a weird time of the year right now. The turnover hasn't happened. It was super hot for the past couple weeks, and then all of a sudden it got freezing cold. So things have been really weird lately with the fish. We're in between moon cycles. Everything's adding up to some slow fishing right now, but hopefully Friday we can get on top of them. One of the things I really wanted to address today, I just wanted to thank everybody because man, this has been such a great experience. It's literally been incredible. Since the giveaway started, we are now up to 365 subscribers. We are on the fast track, man. You guys start sharing this thing and get this thing moving, you're gonna get the full package. Yeah, I really actually hope that happens. 1K by November 19th, we can do it. We're almost to 400, just about halfway there, guys, and we still got a month and a half. I also wanted to do a quick unboxing. My buddy TK, check him out, check his channel up here. He is the freaking man, and he sent me a package. This is the unboxing of that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we just got a package from TK. Oh, I ripped right into the inner bag. Nice. Sweet. These are like These are all drenched in scent. Look at this thing. This little swim bait. That thing's sick. Bunch of drop shot stuff. Nice little.
Ooh.
Stinks, huh? Woo! Love that, TK.
Yeah.
Look at this thing for a drop shot.
Very cool.
That's TK. We got this thing here. I almost missed this. TK, I can't thank you enough. You are the man. As soon as I go somewhere packed with smallmouth, we're getting after those baits. They look juicy. Thanks for tuning in. You guys kick the biggest butt. Fish out!